The house, perched atop a steep slope overlooking the magnificent Wellington harbor, beckons with its breathtaking views and lush, mature vegetation that first captivated its owners. Crafted with architectural ingenuity, the bedroom level harmoniously melds into the hillside, creating a sturdy yet welcoming foundation for the airy, sunlit living space above. Each bedroom on this level boasts its own unique charm, gently bathed in natural light and framed by diverse vistas, creating an array of individualized perspectives. Wrapped in a cloak of dark vertical corrugated iron, this level firmly grounds the structure into the landscape, seamlessly merging with the surrounding trees. Elevated above, the living space exudes an ethereal aura, seemingly suspended as it embraces the existing small lawn and garden to the northwest. Its design, a lighter contrast to the bedroom level, gracefully traverses the topography. A deliberate descent of the floor towards the lawn unveils captivating vistas spanning through the house, unveiling an unobstructed panorama of the harbor's grandeur.